Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another episode number 2. In this episode, you will learn first UK double crochet, or we can say US single crochet. Second, working in rows. Third, how to correct your work. Differences in terms, UK terms and US terms. It is important to know that there is a difference in UK term and US terms. The techniques are the same. They are just different terminologies. Being aware of this from the beginning will help you learning to crochet. Well, I use the term US term because it's very easy to understand, and sometimes UK makes me a little bit confused. So from the beginning I have used the US term. So it depends on you whether you use the UK term or the US. Just the terminologies are the same, but the terminologies are different, but the techniques are same for both of you. Whether you choose UK or US, it's same. So now we are going to start off by creating a slip knot. We went through in the last video, so please feel free to go back in a little bit more detail. Now you can see that I have made a slip knot, and there you have a slip knot. So now we are going to make 11 chain stitches. So this is our foundation chains. Then we are going to build our stitches on top of there. So go ahead and yarn over and pull it through. Again, yarn over and pull it through. Do it again. Yarn over and pull it through. Again, move your finger up, wrap your yarn, move your finger up, yarn over and pull it through. Again, yarn over and pull it through. Here is your chain stitch. Okay, so now I have done with the 11 chain stitches. Now from the hook, second chain from the hook, insert your yarn inside the stitch, yarn over, pull it out and pull through all the 2 loops together. Again, go ahead, insert your hook to the top of the loop. You will look like you have 2 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops from the hook. Again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops on your hook, pull through. Again, insert your hook, wrap a yarn, pull it through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull it through. Remember, that is the double crochet or single crochet in US terms. So you have to repeat this until you have done with the 11 double crochet or single crochet. Now for the second row, chain 1, turn your work from the hook to the first space, insert your yarn, grab a yarn, 2 loops on a hook, yarn over and pull it through. Wrap a yarn, again insert the hook into the space, yarn over. You will look 2 loops on your hook, again yarn over and pull through it. Well done, you are doing a great job. Now again, yarn over, pull through all the 2 loops. So you have to finish till you reach the end. Repeat until you work all the way to the end of this row, doing exactly the same like I am doing in my video. I will have 10 stitches in total. Do as many rows you want to do. I have done 10 rows of single crochet or double crochet. Like you can see in my videos, I am doing exactly the same what I have done with all of the rest of the rows. Turn, yarn over, insert your hook into the first space, yarn over and pull it through. Repeat until you reach to the end of the rows. I have done 10 rows of single crochet or double crochet. So I am going to tie off my yarn now. You want to yarn over and pull through. Going to pull up a loop, you are going to take your scissors and snip off, and then pull that litter out. Now you just created a knot in your work. At the end you want to sew your end, so take your crochet hook. You are simply going to weave this back and forth into the yarn work. I like to do it with hook because that is not going to come undone. So I have just weave it. Take your scissors and snip off the rest of the yarn. You can do that same with the opposite side. So now we'll do exactly the same. We'll take our crochet hook and sew this opposite end also. Just weave this back and forth into our work. Again, I am doing this with the crochet hook because that is not going to come undone. So I've just weaved it, and then I will snip off my excess yarn by the help of the scissor. Okay, so now we are done your double crochet or single crochet, and I would highly recommend that you practice over and over again until you become comfortable with it. So I will be introducing more stitches in the next videos. Up next will be the triple crochet in UK term, and in US it's double crochet. So make sure you check back and follow the tutorial once you feel ready. Till then, मुझे अपनी दुआओं में याद रखिएगा और मेरा चैनल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।